What's up, everyone? This is H2Hubb with H2Hubb, and we're here to do a test video for the dual function portable hydrogen generator offered by HydrogenMed. This product has passed all of our performance testing and evaluations and is recommended by us. And so in this video, we want to go ahead and test it for not only its ability to produce hydrogen-rich water, but also its hydrogen gas production. And so we're going to do this video in two parts. In the first part, we're going to go ahead and test the dissolved hydrogen concentration of the actual water bottle that comes with it. In the demonstration video, we talk about this water bottle. It's a specialized hydrogen water bottle that takes the gas produced from the generator and dissolves it into this bottle. It has specialized motor at the bottom, which acts as a dissolver mechanism to help dissolve the gas into water. And so it runs for about 90 seconds. So we're going to go ahead and fill it up, let it run for its 90 seconds, and then test the dissolved hydrogen concentration of that water. Okay, so first things first, we need to go ahead and fill it up with water. With this particular specialized bottle, you either need to have it plugged in with the USB or it needs to be standing on its actual charging pad connected to the generator. And so let's go ahead and fill it up with water. We'll have it on the charging pad. This is distilled water. And we'll put the lid on. This lid actually has a port. This lid actually has a port for your attachment to connect the actual gas generator to the bottle. But it also has a place for you to drink, so you can drink it once it's done. Okay, so we'll let it run for its 90 seconds, and then we'll test for the dissolved hydrogen. All right, this is a test reagent called H2Blue. We use it many times in our testing and for our videos. It allows us to test the dissolved hydrogen concentration within the water. It's very easy. Each drop counts as 0.1 milligrams per liter, or ppm. And so if you have 10 drops that clears, then it's 1 ppm, 20 drops, 2 ppm, and so on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, so that's about 1.4 milligrams per liter from ppm. If you were to adjust that to about SATP, because we are not directly at sea level, we're actually about 277 meters or 909 feet at our location. But if you were to adjust that for SATP, that'd be about 1.5. So it's nearly at saturation. and that will put this volume size at about close to about 0.5 milligram of hydrogen dissolved into this water, which is great and passes our standards. Now let's go ahead and move to the second part of this test video, where we'll go ahead and measure the actual gas production coming from the generator. Okay, so this is part 2 of the actual test video, where we're going to measure the milliliter per minute gas output of the system. This is a pure H2 unit and is marketed to produce about 100 milliliters per minute. We measured this system at about 105 milliliters per minute. And so in this actual test, this is our gas displacement apparatus. We're going to run the system for 60 seconds or 1 minute. And we're actually going to displace the water and see what the milliliter per minute output is for the system. So let's go ahead and begin. All right, so the system is right at 100 milliliters per minute. And so that is basically that is right around, like I said, it's 100 milliliters per minute. At our location, we're about 277 meters, so we're about 3.2%. So that's probably about 97 milliliters per minute. So that's right in the range of where this unit is marketed at. And so typically when we do tests for our purposes, we run a multitude of tests, and so this is very within the range of where the system has tested at for us. And that's the test video for the dual function portable hydrogen generator offered by HydrogenMed. You can find this product on our website at H2Hubb, and you can actually get this product for $200 off of its normal retail price. And if you're interested in buying this product or have further questions about it, you can contact us directly via our website, or you can email me, which will also be in the description of this video. So that's it for this product. We'll catch you next time at the H2Hubb.